Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. I've just come downstairs from filming my Mission Inspiration art tag project for January, and Mr. Ian has been baking while I've been upstairs. So I've been annexed upstairs and he's been annexed down here in the kitchen, and this is what is baked.
While Mike's been upstairs, as he said, I've been baking. I've made him some mixed peel and orange biscuits, and they smell and taste beautiful. Take a look.
Absolutely.
They're bursting with fruit.
There's mixed citrus fruit in there, so mixed citrus peel in there, isn't there? So there's lemon, lime and orange.
And some sultanas.
Plus you've put some orange essence into the mix as well. 4
tablespoons of orange oil, yeah.
So they are very, very citrusy, very, very fruity and very, very
orangey.
Delicious. I was
Thank
going
you.
to say. It's Sunday afternoon, about 10 to 3 according to the clock. What started out as being a lazy kind of Sunday afternoon has turned into a bit of a workshop. I was talking to Ian this morning about making junk journals, and he didn't quite understand what the concept was for a junk journal. So I thought, well, the best way to explain it is to actually show him. So that's what we've been doing. So I've been showing him how to make junk journals today out of old vintage papers and cloth covers and all that kind of stuff. So, and he's actually made his first junk journal, which looks really good. I'm very impressed. So he wants to do some more. We've got some more old hardback books that Dad got us from a charity shop at a thrift store before lockdown, about February time last year, and I've not done anything with them. So we did one, like I said, today, that I've shown him how to do it, how to put it all together and all that kind of stuff. Completely eclectic collection of stuff that's in these journals. Still plenty of spaces for writing and painting and drawing and all that kind of stuff, but using old hardback books as the basis for these junk journals. So, like I said, Dad got some last year. I had 4 at the state of my finger. You can tell I've been spritzing and tea dyeing, can't you? So we've got another 3, so there'll be 4 in total when we're finished. Good fun. It's Monday the 18th. The weekend has gone by in a bit of a blur. So yesterday we'd sort of planned to have a bit of a lazy day, and it turned into something completely different. We ended up spending most of the day making junk journals on the kitchen table. We'd got some old hardbacked books that Dad had got us last year sometime, about this time last year actually, and they'd just been sitting on the shelf, and I was talking to Ian about junk journals, and he didn't kind of get the concept of what you put in and how you do a junk journal. So I thought the best way to explain it to him is to actually show him. So once he'd grasped the concept, that was it, it was off. Obviously wanting to do junk journals in his own inimitable way. So yes, interesting day yesterday, and it was quite a long one as well. We didn't finish until almost 8 o'clock in the evening, and we ate late, all that kind of stuff. But like I said, it was an interesting evening, it was an interesting day, and Ian managed to get 4 junk journals, which he will be sharing, or has already shared, on Thursday or Tuesday, or whenever the vlog goes live, or Steampunk Tuesday, because I think he's going to do that for Tuesday. So if you are watching this on Thursday, it was the video that you saw on Tuesday. Yeah, timey-wimey, wibbly-wobbly, that kind of thing. So Monday morning, yeah, like I said, I'm out in the car, as you can see. Got the new iPhone holder for the car, so I'm able to record. But I'm just nipping down to the supermarket because we've run out of a few bits and pieces over the weekend. Mainly Mr. Bentley food. It's got enough to last him the day, but not for tomorrow. So I need to get some today. We also have a few bits and pieces that we need to stock up on. Ian's run out of eggs, which he's going to need because he wants to do some baking and filming for Steam Kitchen today as well. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day today. It's Tuesday afternoon. It's 25 minutes past 3 of the clock. So today we have finished filming all the bits and pieces for the next episode of Steam Kitchen. We've also finished filming Ian's Steampunk Tuesday video for tonight, so that's now uploading as we speak. I've just had a bit of a tidy up. He's just taken Mr. Bentley out for his WALK. It's absolutely throwing it down with rain at the moment, but the rain has completely cleared all of the snow. So all the snow that was remaining has now gone. So we've gone from being 8 inches under snow to it completely disappearing in the space of like 4 or 5 hours. So it's completely gone now. But Ian has requested that I cook a spag bol for dinner this evening. So a spag bol, in common parlance, is spaghetti bolognese. So that's what I'm doing. So I have defrosted some minced beef from the freezer this morning, and I'm now just dicing up onions and mushrooms. Look at the size of those beauties. Aren't they absolutely scrummy? Beautiful big mushrooms. So yes, I shall chop up some onions, chop the mushrooms up, and then I shall get cracking on the spaghetti bolognese. See you later. Ah, my finger. Just kidding. So I've just heard from Mum and Dad. They've both had the phone call asking them to go down to the local health centre to have their COVID-19 vaccination injections. So they're being 78 years old. Obviously our region is a little bit ahead of the schedule for getting everybody done over the age of 80, so they're now moving on to the 70 plus age range, which means that Mum and Dad will be safely vaccinated with the first injection at 7 PM tomorrow, because that's what time their appointment is. So I've said that I will go over, pick them both up, and then take them down to the health centre where they're having the injections, and then take them home again. So excellent. So that's one weight off my mind. It's Wednesday morning, and I don't know, or I can't remember whether I mentioned or not, on Monday when I went to the supermarket, I called in at the opticians that they have in the supermarket. It's like a concession for one of the high street opticians, and I made an appointment to have my eyes retested, because it's been about 2 years since the last test, to get some proper varifocals made, because I can't be doing with having 2 pairs of glasses. It's just, what's the phrase I'm looking for? It's doing me head in, because I keep leaving the reading glasses in a different room. I've tried having them around my neck on a lanyard and they just keep falling off. So the best thing to do is just to get 1 pair of glasses with 2 different lenses in. Then I won't be able to forget them, will I? So that's where I'm off now. Down to the supermarket to get my eyes tested. And of course, while I've been in the supermarket at the opticians having my eyes done, it started raining again, heavily. So I've managed to get 2 pairs of varifocal lenses, 2 pairs of glasses, including the cost of the eye test, at a very reasonable price, I think. All turned out to be about £80 a pair, which I don't think is bad at all. So happy, as you can be when you're paying out large amounts of money. Do you feel agoraphobic when you've got too much leg room?
No, I always feel as if I'm bloody reclining.
Reclining?
Yeah.
Like laying back?
Yeah.
Laid back. Right. Let's go get you vaccinated.
Yeah.
So it's now just gone 7:30 and I'm on my way back home. Mum and Dad have had their 2 injections. Well, they've had 1 each, if you know what I mean. So the next vaccination isn't due until, what did the doctor say or the nurse say, between 8 and 12 weeks. So that's it, they're done. For the first one, so weight off my mind, at least partially. So after that, then, you know, Mum can pretty much resume business as normal, in as much as going out and doing shopping with me rather than me having to do it all for her, so she can leave the house again once she's had the 2nd vaccination. So she's very happy about that. So a nice note to end the week on, I think. So that's it for this week. We will see you all in the next. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.